All right, drink we're about to make is called Tennessee tea. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass, fill it all the way up. And we'll measure out 1 ounce of Tennessee whiskey, followed by 1 ounce of triple sec, orange liqueur, and 1 ounce of sour mix. And finally, we'll just top it off with your favorite cola. Now, when we mix this up, besides the carbonation in there, it should look just like a regular cup of tea, or glass of tea, I'm sorry, glass of iced tea. Isn't that magical? And now we'll garnish it with a lemon to make it seem even more authentic. And we'll add a straw, and bottoms up.